Hello, in this video we're going to talk about drawing the lowercase r. Now the lowercase r, once again, is going to borrow parts from other characters, but it's really not that complicated a character. It might seem like it's kind of an individual character, but really it starts from the N, this kind of branch shape. And I'm going to show you a good way to get started with that. Now, one thing we need is a kind of reference of what do our branch type strokes look like. And if we look at them, they're sort of what we see here in our C and our F. I'm going to change that side bearing on F. These kind of situations where we have this curved terminal now that's fitting into our design space here. So with R, what I want to do is I want to leave, making a mask here, Command J, and I want to leave these areas alone, but I'm going to get rid of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this part, okay, and I'm going to grab this terminal. It's going to have to get heavier than it is on the C. And why is that? Because the R, because it's such a kind of narrow shape on this side, it needs to have a bit more weight on its right side in order for it to stand up just as a kind of character in its own right, to have enough weight at the X height. So first things first, this is a kind of quick start, but this is too long first of all, and it's curving down too far. So what I actually want is to tuck it in a bit more, which is totally normal for this character, and I need to bring this up more. And I need to just do some moving around. So I need these handlebars to tuck in a bit more. And I need this now to come out a bit more. And I need this one now coming out a bit more. Now we're starting to get a nice R shape. And you want the same kind of rhythm that you see here in this junction of strokes. You want that same area, that same junction here on R. Same idea. And, oh, notification. All right. And really, that's the R. You don't now what you want for the R is you don't want it to be too wide. I'm going to give it a kind of narrow side bearing space, and this should be the same as N. But what you don't want is for it to be massively wide. I think this is a pretty good width right now for this character. I would even consider that for the R we could actually make this less curved. This is actually better, I think. And now it's too light, so it needs to get a bit heavier by grabbing this stuff, and it can move down a bit more. That's okay for us to do. And I think we just want to bring it in, make it a little bit narrower. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's much better. This needs a bit of a refinement, but overall, this works better for the R. Okay, and there it is. This is a pretty short video. That's all we need to know about the R. So I'll see you in the next video.